There's a theory of human motivation that's quite simple, but it's also quite powerful, and it's the basis of all motivational psychology. It's essential that you understand this motivational theory with all your interactions with others, especially in sales, where you want people to buy your product now rather than later. Antecedents are the things that come before an event, activity, or decision. The behavior that an individual engages in as the result of a stimulation of some kind, and the consequences of that particular behavior based on the antecedent and that motivated behavior. A person's behavior is motivated by what they anticipate happening as a result of engaging in that behavior. People always do what they do because they think of what's going to happen as a result of that action or behavior. Now, this basically means that people behave on the basis of their rational expectations of what they think is going to happen if they buy a particular product or service or engage in any particular action. So since everyone, well, for the most part, are emotional beings, people tend to buy based on how they anticipate feeling as a result of owning and enjoying a particular product or service, including yours. So what you're actually selling is a feeling, because that's what people think about when they buy. How will I feel after I make this decision? They look forward to the feeling they expect to enjoy, and they make their decision based on whether or not that feeling is more valuable to them than the money they'll actually have to part with, or than something else that they could buy with that same amount of money. Remember, customers always have three choices. They can buy from you, they can buy from someone else, or they could buy nothing at all. And you have to show them that buying from you is the best choice at that moment.